Across America, something powerful is happening. A new generation is learning how to build. Across industry, education, and the defense industrial base, leaders are coming together to rebuild the talent pipelines that power American manufacturing. Factories are modernizing. Training programs are expanding. Students are discovering careers they never knew existed. The momentum is real, and it's only the beginning. Because America's ability to innovate, to compete, and to defend itself depends on the people who build it. This October, those leaders will gather in Galveston, Texas. Industry, education, policy, workforce, all focused on one mission: building America's industrial future. Because the future of this country will be built by those who show up. Join us.